guys, today we will see how to install the Terraform over the Windows operating system. For installing it, we have to download the binary of Terraform from the Terraform site. You just need to type the Terraform over the browser and access the first link. Over there, you have an option available, download Terraform, and you have to choose the operating system. As we are installing it over the Windows, so we have to choose the Windows. And for Windows, we have two different type of processors available. Either we are installing the Windows over the AMD or over the Intel. If you are using the AMD, then you have to download the AMD binaries, and if you are using the Intel, you have to download the 386 binaries, or we can say x86 binaries. So I am using the Intel. I am going to download the 386 binaries. It's done. Now need to extract all the files inside the Terraform directories. So it's available over there. So what I have to do is I have to open the command prompt and binaries are available inside the Terraform directory, which is situated inside the download directory. So if I have to access the Terraform commands or need to run the Terraform commands, I have to change my current working directory to Terraform directory where the Terraform binaries are available. If I'm trying to fire the Terraform command here in my current working directory, over there Terraform binaries are not available, so it will not execute. I have to change my directory from my home directory to downloads, and then inside the Terraform we have a Terraform directory available. Over there Terraform binaries are available. So these are the Terraform binaries. Here the Terraform command will work. Yeah, you can see that. To run the Terraform from anywhere over the operating system, we have to set the path variable over the Windows. The one way is to set the path variable is right click over this PC and go to the properties. Here you will see you have to find out the advanced system settings. These are the advanced system settings. You have to click it over there and you have to check the advanced and then environment variable. Before doing that, you have to do one more thing. These are the Terraform binaries. Need to move from here to some another directory. So I am going to create a Terraform directory inside the C. In your scenario, you can create a directory anywhere over the secure path, whatever, wherever you want to save it. You just need to create a directory and put the Terraform binaries over there and copy the path and move towards the advanced setting and then environment variable. Just check, just click over the path variable and then select the edit button. Over there click over the edit, sorry, click over the new and set the new variable, path variable over there. Yeah, it's done. Now my current directory is my home directory. Now the Terraform command will work from anywhere over the operating system. Thanks guys.